Hi there. Today we're going to make autumn bird feeders. I've got green and red. First, we're going to make green for the top of the leaf, which I'm doing right now. First, I'll do the top of the leaf, and brown is going to be the bottom of the leaf, and red is going to be the middle, and yellow is also going to be the middle. Decorating it now. Decorating the yellow and now the red. We've decorated the green, yellow and red already, and she's going to go get some brown. She's gotten the acorn bird feeder ready, and I'm painting the brown. Now I'm going to paint all around the sides of the box. I'm painting the sides of the box. Red, green, yellow and brown, just like the colours of the leaf. We're doing it right now. Finished. See you later. And now we're making the acorn-shaped bird feeders. This will not take us very long indeed. Now we've painted it all, nearly. Now we've painted it all. See you later.